In this video, we will talk about how to fix the brightness problem of Windows 10. So, let's come to the computer screen. First of all, go to the search bar and search Device Manager. And open it. After opening, when you will see the Device Manager, go to the monitor option and expand the monitor, and you will see generic PSP monitor. Now we need to update the generic PNP monitor software, and it will takes a few minutes. Now you can see the base driver for your device are already installed. Then we will go for the Windows update. Now click on the Windows update. Now Windows update option will be opening. You can see a few updates are available. Now download the updates and let it be installed. So I will click on the download option. Now these updates are downloading. You can see when the updates are completed, just restart the computer and check that your brightness issue will be fixed. Thank you for watching these videos.